In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use trail markers in Grounded 2. So if I click on the B button here, I should now be taken to this page. So we want to be able to make a trail marker here. And we need 2 sprigs, 2 plant fiber, and 1 clover leaf. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So we're just going to run here. So we need 2 of these sprigs right here. This is how they look, by the way. And then we need, I think, 1 or 2 plant fiber. So this is plant fiber, by the way. And the last one is cloverleaf. Yep. So to be able to find cloverleaf, you're just going to run and find this right here, as you can see. So this is what cloverleaves actually look like. So I'm just going to chop it down here. Yep, now it's done. So we can just grab a couple here, as you can see. So now we have a couple clover leaves. I'm just going to run back here, click on B again, then left click here, and then just place it. Let's actually place it here. I think it's perfect. So now let's just build it here. Yep. So now it's done. So now to be able to use it, you just run into it, click on E here to be able to set a marker. So let's just set like this home symbol here as an example, let's make it blue. So now when you have done so, we can now actually go into the map and you will be able to see the trail marker here. Actually, we can maybe even relocate so it's easier to view for you. Just a second. So I'm just going to go back and check the map now. Yep, here it is now. I believe it's right. Oh, actually it's right here, sorry. So yeah, this is the home symbol here. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do this.